Am I audible? I
Audible,
am
sir.
presenting. I am sharing my screen. Let me know whether it is visible or not. Is it okay? Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have completed the recursion, and we have ended with the difference between iteration and recursion. Do you have any problem in this? Anybody wants to ask anything? We have also seen how stack is useful in function calling and returning. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So can we move ahead? The next problem that we need to solve, and that is also like application of stack, is Tower of Hanoi problem. Tower of Hanoi again is a problem that we can solve with the help of recursion. Again, it is a very important mathematical problem, or we can say a mathematical puzzle. I think most of you have heard about this Tower of Hanoi. Can anybody explain this? What is this problem? Anybody can have like an idea about this? Yes or no?
सर कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं है सर। हनोई का नाम तो सुना है, लेकिन टावर ऑफ हनोई
So anyone
कभी।
else? Ajay, Anshul,
No, sir, no idea.
no idea. Anyone else in the class? Anamika, Anshul.
सर किसी ने नहीं सुना होगा सर।
No,
No.
हनोई वियतनाम का एक सिटी है, उसमें पता नहीं कहाँ टावर बना होगा ये।
No, it is not like that. It is simply like we cannot relate it with our study actually. The person who is actually interested in solving puzzles, he or she should know about this actually. That is very good puzzle, like mathematical puzzle. So let us see what is it actually. First of all,
Hello,
Tower of Hanoi. This is a problem.
sir.
Actually, it is a mathematical puzzle which. Please switch off your mice. Mute yourself. Okay. So this is a puzzle which is introduced by a scientist that is actually known as Hanoi, and which consists of three towers. As you are seeing in this diagram also, there are three tower, and also known as pegs actually, and more than one rings in the like tower. तीन डिस्क होंगी टावर के अंदर आपके पास फर्स्ट टावर में. Now the problem is that first of all the different size is there for all the rings. सबसे नीचे largest ring है, and then middle one, and then smallest one. Okay. Now we need to move all these three rings or disc from the first tower to the third tower. First tower is our source tower, second tower is our auxiliary tower, and third one is our destination tower, जहां हमें सारे डिस्क को मूव करना है. Okay. Now the puzzle is likewise कि the three disc three, like I am not specifying the number. I don't want to specify the number three over there. It could be one, it could be three, it could be n also. Okay, but minimum one ring is required. So, but actually the puzzle, actual puzzle actually gets started from the number three. Okay, because for one and two it is very easy to move all the discs from one to another. But from three, there some logic needs to generate, some logic needs to create it, some thinking needs to put into this puzzle. That's why actual puzzle will get started from the three. So what we need to do, we need to move all these three discs say and discs say from the first tower to the last tower with the help of the middle tower. Okay, but the conditions क्या होंगी? Order must be same. In final tower, जब आप सारी डिस्क मूव कर देंगे, then all the three discs must be in the same position. It means largest one must be at the bottom, and the smallest one must be at the top. Okay, the order must be maintained. And one more rule is there in between transferring the rings from one tower to the another tower. Never, like it will never be happen कि छोटी डिस्क के ऊपर बड़ी डिस्क आ जाए. It means कि smaller disk must always be on the top of larger one. Vice versa is not allowed. So these are the two rules. We need to, I am repeating again. Now you can read this theoretical, whatever it is written in this PPT. These rings are of the different size and stacked upon in an ascending order. Ascending, it means the smaller one on the top, then middle one, and the largest one at the bottom. Now there are other variations of the puzzles where the number of discs increases but the tower count remains same. So we need to take care that tower will always be 3. Number could vary from 1 to n. Okay. Now the mission is to move all the discs from some tower to another tower. किसी एक टावर से किसी दूसरे टावर में डालना हमारा एक टास्क है. Without violating the sequence of arrangement. Like as I've already told, the sequence will always remain same as it is in the starting. Okay. Now few rules that we need to follow is only one disk can be moved among the towers at any time. It means कि एक बार में हम एक ही डिस्क को मूव कर पाएंगे. Multiple डिस्क को एक संग नहीं उठा के रखते आप. Only the top disk can be removed. Like it will work as a stack. We can only move the topmost disk. Okay, we can pop only the topmost disk. And third one is no large disk can sit over to the small disk. It means कि कभी भी छोटी डिस्क के ऊपर बड़ी डिस्क नहीं आएगी. Is it okay? Problem is clear. Any doubt in the problem?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No.
You can see the diagram. Okay. Like for that particular case, I am having 3. Okay. So now let us look at a small animation for that, है ना? To understand the things. What actually going on? एक हम छोटा सा एनिमेशन देखते हैं क्या होगा इसमें, like how the disk will be moved. Let us take here that total number of disks are 1 right now. Now you just think upon that how we can move it. Okay.
अभी फाइनली एक ही चार्ज अभी खाली है और तो बैठा हूं बच्चा तो नहीं.
कुछ समझ में आया what we need to do? Am I audible?
कुछ नहीं सर, कुछ. Yes sir, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया सर.
Okay, now just tell me how you can move this single disk from the tower A to tower B. Suppose tower B is our target tower. Okay.
Sir, we are going to pop out from tower A and push into tower B.
That's
Yes, sir.
it. Okay. Now let us do for the 2. Number 2. I am increasing it 2. Okay. Now what you will do now?
So now we have to move to tower C.
Now suppose the number of disks are 2. So 2 disks you are able to see. Now what you will do now? Our target tower is B. Suppose target tower is B. In this specific animation, target tower B दिया गया है ना. लेकिन like in general scenario, first one is tower, our beginning tower. Second one is our auxiliary tower, and third one is our ending tower. But in this specific animation, हमने tower B को ending tower लिया है. तो कोई बात नहीं, हमारे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Just tell me how you can move the two discs from tower A to tower B with the help of tower C.
Sir,
You just-
okay, so sir, first
सर पहले
we will the blue one, na?
फर्स्ट
Blue one,
डिस्क
tower
को
C
सी में डाल देंगे, फिर सेकंड डिस्क को,
हाँ, A को
फिर
B में डाल
सेकंड डिस्क
देंगे।
को बी में डाल दो,
और सी को वापस से बी।
अब सी से निकाल दो डिस्क को, अब बी में डाल दो, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
So is it okay now? Everyone is okay with this? How you need to do?
ओके सर।
Now we can move for the 3. Let us see how. Let us
सर सी को
इसमें भी जो
छोटी
है वो एक
वाली
फाइनल।
डिस्क को सी में डालो पहले।
You just see the animation first. I will ask you again. In PPT, I will ask you. Just count the total number of steps. Is it okay?
Will you play it again once?
ओके सर।
Any doubt?
9
So rules are
Please
clear.
play the video again.
Yes, sir. Please once again.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will use the PPT to explain it. Okay. I am coming on to the PPT now. I have also made some animation for you. So for n equals to 1, let us say n equals to 1. How many? Like this is very simple. We just need to move from pack 1 to pack 3. Now again, now concentrate that first tower is our source tower. Second tower is our auxiliary tower. Auxiliary means ki that is being used for transferring the disk. Auxiliary matlab sahayak. Hindi mein we can say that it is a sahayak. Okay. So and the third tower is our destination tower, ending tower. Okay. So beginning, auxiliary and ending tower. So if the n equals to 1, then how many moves we required?
Sir, 1.
1
One.
One move. The total number of
सीधा
steps
डाल
that
के
is from
30 में
A
डाल
to
दो।
C. Is it okay? Now suppose two disks are there. So how many steps we required?
3.
3.
First one will be
सी तक जाएंगे ना डिस्क को,
A to B.
डिस्क को,
First
Then
one is
that one will go to C.
then A to C.
Then B to C.
B to C. So total number of steps are
3.
A to B, A to C, and B to C.
3
Sequence matters again. Please remember, sequence matters a lot. यहाँ आप sequence ऊपर नीचे करेंगे सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. So in order to follow the rules, we need to follow the sequence too. Okay. So in the case of n equals to 1, 1 step is required. In the case of disk 2, 2 disks we required 3 steps. Okay. Now in the case of 4, 3 disks same. So this is 3 disk case. First could be B. C is our target. C जो tower C है, that is our destination और ending tower. जहां हमें आउटपुट में हमारे पास ये तीनों डिस्क ऐसी C में आ जानी चाहिए. Okay, with the help of B. So tell me, what will be the first step?
Sir, A to B.
Sir, A to B.
A to B.
सर ए टू बी।
A to B.
यस
A
सर।
to C.
A to C.
सर हमारा टारगेट टावर कौन सा है सर?
I am repeating again. Our target tower is B. Sorry, C. Okay. Let me point out.
ओके सर।
This is our beginning tower. ठीक है. This is our ending tower. And this is our auxiliary tower. Auxiliary मतलब with the help of that we are moving. Is it okay now? So tell me now. First step
Yes,
is
A to C.
A to C. Second one will be
A to B.
A to B.
बी
A to B. A to B.
then
C to B.
C to B.
B to B.
very good. Now look
A
at
to
that. इस स्टेप पे भी अपन होल्ड करते हैं एक बार, है ना? अभी हुआ क्या एक्चुअली? What happens now? How many disks we have moved from the tower beginning to tower auxiliary?
3 times.
2.
2
3
discs.
2
times.
discs.
Yeah, disk 2,
Two
but
discs,
times
sir.
3.
We have moved 2 discs from the beginning to the auxiliary. ओके, इन 3 स्टेप में हमने ये काम किया है. आउटपुट आप देख रहे हैं. तो थर्ड आपका आउटपुट आ रहा है वो ये है कि आपने 2 डिस्क को टावर ए से टावर बी पे मूव कर दिया है. ओके, 2 मतलब n-1. Actually what I am going to what I am trying to like make, I am trying to like clear the ideas to write the algorithm also. Parallelly we are trying to write the algorithm steps. ठीक है. सो हमने क्या किया, अभी हमने n-1 डिस्क को टावर ए से टावर बी पे मूव किया. इट मींस टावर बिगनिंग से टावर ऑक्सिलरी पे मूव किया इन 3 स्टेप में. अब 4th स्टेप में क्या करना है हमें बताओ.
A to C.
Sir, A to C.
Sir, A to C.
A to C.
B to
4th
A.
स्टेप इज सिंपल, दैट इज A to C.
A to C.
तो बची हुई जो लार्जेस्ट, इट मींस की लार्जेस्ट रिंग जो होगी वो एक स्टेप में टावर बिगिनिंग से टावर एंड पर ट्रांसफर होगी. इज इट
अब
ओके?
सर B से A करेंगे.
अब हमारा टारगेट क्या है, नेक्स्ट जो स्टेप्स होंगे, वी नीड टू मूव द 2 डिस्क. अगेन लुक एट द बी टावर. बी पर अभी कितने डिस्क हैं?
B to C. B to A.
इन 2 डिस्क को मुझे मूव करना है यहाँ पर. तो ये मेरा टारगेट है.
B to A.
सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल B to A, then
Then B to C.
B to C.
B to C, then
A to C.
A
A
to
to
C.
C.
A to C.
Miss, target complete.
Okay, so again in next 3 steps what we have done, we have moved 2 disks from this to auxiliary to end with the help of beginning. So this is how we can move 3 disks from one to another tower. Is it okay? कोई डाउट है किसी को तो बताइए.
ओके सर. सर यदि डिस्क की संख्या
स्टेप्स कितने लगे हमारे को?
3 6.
7.
7. Total 7 steps we have all obtained. Okay, so now look at that. With the help of this slide you will be able to write the algorithm. We concentrate on that. Okay, let us suppose 3 towers are there and we are naming them beginning, auxiliary and end. First of all, it should be clear to all. So let us suppose at the beginning, in the beginning we have given n number of disks at the tower beginning and we need to move all these disks to the tower end. हमें कहाँ मूव करनी है? टावर एंड पे मूव करनी है with the help of auxiliary. इसकी हेल्प लेते हुए. Is it okay? I am repeating.
सर एक मिनट सर.
I am repeating. We need to move n disk from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. आप पूछो क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं?
सर मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि जब हम डिस्क को मूव करेंगे एक से दूसरे टावर में, तो सभी टावरों में सर जो डिस्क का ऑर्डर है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ही होना चाहिए, डिसेंडिंग भी हो सकता है, यानी छोटे के ऊपर बड़ी डिस्क.
लिखा ना रूल पढ़ा था हमने वहां पर. रूल आपको ध्यान?
यस सर, पढ़े वही तो पूछ रहा था सर. ये
पूछ क्यों रहे हो आप? रूल पढ़ा ना हमने. 1 disk, no larger disk can sit over to the small disk.
नहीं सर, वो तो टारगेट टावर के लिए कंडीशन थी ना, मैं ऑक्सिलरी टावर के लिए पूछ रहा था.
In between these shifting, it will never happen. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि छोटी डिस्क के ऊपर बड़ी डिस्क आ जाए.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, और एक बार में एक ही डिस्क मूव होगी. That is all. That should be the topmost also. Now come on to this. Okay, so problem is clear. Our statement will be like this. We need to move n number of disks from the tower beginning with the help of tower auxiliary to the tower end. Okay, now I am taking the n equals to 3 now. We have just performed n equals to 3. So how many cases we have seen? कितने केस देखे थे हमने अभी? कितने स्टेप्स थे? मतलब
7 cases.
नंबर 7
नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स है हमारे पास, है ना. सो उन्हीं स्टेप्स को यदि हम लेके कर रहे हैं तो मैं अब ये अब उन स्टेप्स में हमने क्या क्या किया था? क्या ये सीक्वेंस सही लिखी हुई है? ये समझ में आ रही है आपको सीक्वेंस? सीक्वेंस समझ लो पहले आप लोग, क्या सीक्वेंस सही लिखी हुई है? चेक कर लो सीक्वेंस सही लिखी हुई है क्या? आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, A to C, A to B, C to B, A to C, B to
Yes,
A.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
in
sir.
this, now total number of 6 steps are 7. Now you just compare it with this. First 3 steps, what we have done, जैसा मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, in first 3 steps, what we are going to do, we are trying to move n-1 disk from the tower A to B. It means from the tower beginning to auxiliary. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And in next 4 step, that is only a single step in which we are moving one disk from A to C, which is one disk from beginning to end. Then finally, in the next 3 steps, what we will do is we will move n-1 disk from B to C. It means auxiliary to end. ऐसा कुछ किया था हमने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी मैंने पूरे स्टेप करवाए थे आपको, यदि कुछ ध्यान हो आप लोगों को तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया था अभी यहाँ पर। ये 3 स्टेप्स मैंने आपको जब स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाए थे तो यही हमने किया था यहाँ पर। वी हैव मूव्ड n-1 disk from beginning to auxiliary in some steps, then in single step we will move one disk from beginning to end, then remaining n-1 disk will be moved from auxiliary to end. So now tell me how recursion will be applied over there. Initial problem was moving n disk from beginning to end with the help of auxiliary. We have divided the whole problem into smaller sub problems. How many sub problems we have created? Tell me. 3. In which first sub problem moves n-1 disk, second sub problem moves 1 disk, and third sub problem moves n-1 disk. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in these 3 sub problems, how many times recursion will be called?
6 times.
Shit. Anybody else? Recursion. This is in front of you. ये PPT पे लिखा हुआ है साफ साफ, यदि आप पढ़ सको तो दिमाग से. How many times recursion will be called? Sorry. Be
3
loud.
times, sir.
Be loud.
Sir, 3 times.
3 times.
How many?
Three times.
How 3 times? Please
Sir, first
explain.
for
Yes.
Sir, if n- disk from A to B will be the first recursion, then one disk from A to C will be the second recursion.
Okay.
Check
Then
the
third one
condition
will be
checking,
this.
and third one will be the last. n-1
So,
disk from B
do
to
we
C.
require recursion in this case? Just think about that. Do we require the recursion in this case? Here we are moving only one disk.
No, sir.
Sir, base case, it will be the base case.
Yes. Very good. Who is this?
Sir, Aman
Who is this?
Kothari.
Aman. That will be our base case. That will be our terminating condition actually. So recursion कितनी बार call होगा? How many times recursion will be called?
2.
2
2
times.
times.
2 times only. Recursion. Now मैंने starting में बोला था आपको कि like I am trying to relate the steps I am explaining with the algorithm actually. मैंने यहाँ बताया था आपको we are trying to explain the concepts with the help and trying to like merge it with the algorithm. So I am repeating again. My main problem is we need to move n disk. We need to move n disk from the tower beginning with the help of tower auxiliary to the tower end. Okay. Now I have divided the whole problem into smaller sub problems. So n will be divided into n-1, 1, and n-1. Okay. So what happens now? This will be recursion and this will be recursion. and there actually, as there is only one disk, so we need not to use recursion in this case. And this will become our base condition to stop the recursion actually. Okay, so now let us see how many how we can write the algorithm actually. I'm coming on to this slide again. So algorithm tower of n, n beginning, auxiliary and end. What does it means? That is very simple. I am trying to write the function for tower of n by taking n number of disks for that needs to move from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
सर इसमें जो लिखा है move n minus 1 disk from
We
beginning
need to
with the
move
help
n
of
disk
end.
from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. एक स्टेटमेंट याद कर लो आप, मैंने लिखा भी नीचे देखो. We need to move n number of minus 1 disk from beginning with the help of end to the auxiliary. तो similarly हम ये याद कर लें. If I am trying to mention over there in this n number of disks from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. ये मैं आपको तरीका बता रहा हूँ याद करने के लिए. Like you need not to like remember now. You can write on your own. यदि आपको समझ में आ गया ये तो. Okay. So we mark 3 towers with the name beginning, end and auxiliary. Auxiliary is there only to help for moving the disk. We need to actually move the disk from beginning to end. Now solution of tower of n for n is greater than 1 can be reduced to the following sub problems. We need to move n minus 1 disk from beginning to where? Just tell me. Beginning to
Auxiliary.
auxiliary with the help of
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
end.
N tower.
N tower. Very good. तो मैंने first statement यही लिखा है. We need to move n minus 1 disk from beginning with the help of end to auxiliary, and then in second step move one disk, single disk जो बच गई थी. So we need to move that disk from beginning to end directly, and then remaining n minus 1 disk will be moved from
Auxiliary.
auxiliary to
And
And
end with the help of
back.
beginning.
Beginning tower.
Beginning.
Good. तो concept clear हो गया आपको? अब एल्गोरिथम लिखेंगे आप लोग. अच्छा यहाँ पर बेस केस क्या है? व्हाट इज द बेस केस? बेस कंडीशन क्या है?
And greater than
Beginning
1.
to end.
Beginning to end, moving one disk.
So what would be the value of n for base case?
1.
Sir, one.
1. Very good. If n equals to 1, that is my base case. और आपने देखा भी है कि in case of 1, n equals to 1, we can directly move the disk from beginning to end. So that will be my base case. So in this is my base case. Okay. मैंने पहले ही बताया था आपको n equals to 1. Base case मतलब n equals to 1. Is it okay now? So while writing the recursive function, you need to take care of the base case also. So now you need to write the algorithm. Tower of n, n beginning, auxiliary, end. ये sequence ध्यान रखना आप लोग है ना. First step is beginning. Second step could be. Just tell me what will be the second step.
Moving one disk
यहाँ पर आपको
from
base condition लगानी है.
Auxiliary.
Base condition will be.
if n is equals to
If n is equals to 1,
So if n equals to 1, what we will do?
beginning to end.
we'll push
Very
the
good.
first
Right,
disk
beginning
from
to end.
beginning.
Beginning to end.
Right, beginning to end. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And after this, what we need to do? We need to exit. So return. बाहर आ गए हम लोग. Okay. Because after base condition, we need to return. We need to exit. ये तो देखा ही हमने यहाँ पर. Now next, what next? What we need to do now?
Else.
Yes.
Begin-
What we will do in this
beginning
next
Beginning to
step?
auxiliary.
Else.
To auxiliary.
Beginning to auxiliary with the help of
And
end. So
Ending tower.
is it recursion or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in
Yes,
recursion,
sir.
what we will do? Recursion में क्या करोगे आप?
Function
Recursion
बनाना.
में क्या होगा? बताइए फटाफट. What we will do in recursion now?
what means
We will be calling a function.
Very good. We will be calling a function. Function, which function?
COH.
TOH with the parameter.
TOH.
Parameter
And
बताइए.
beginning
Parameter.
Sir, parameter will be n minus 1.
N, beg, and off.
N की जगह क्या हो जाएगा?
N minus 1.
N minus 1.
Very good. How many discs we need to move now? N minus 1 disc. Very good. From
Beginning to
Beginning.
Beginning to auxiliary.
and
sequence क्या होगी?
sir, first beginning
You
to
just
end, then
you just take care of this thing. In this we need to change some sequence. It will become n minus 1. Okay. This will remains as it is beginning. Auxiliary
yes, sir.
will add.
it will end. And will
and
Auxiliary.
so the next step is this. Power of and beginning and auxiliary. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next step. Next step. Remember this. These 3 steps should be there. We have done first step. Then next, what step we need to do?
Base condition execute.
Base condition. For that, what we need to do? Do we need to call function again? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So
No,
what we need
No,
to
sir.
do? At that case, what we need
No,
to do?
sir.
What we need to do in this case? Second step.
Beginning to end.
So what we will do is we can simply write beginning to end. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now last step will be
Calling the function again.
with the parameters.
N minus 1.
N minus 1.
Good. Next.
Auxiliary.
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 Auxiliary, beg, end. Beginning to end.
Oh,
Last step is exit. Is it okay? Yes or no? At least yes or no तो बोल दो.
Yes, sir.
सर पीछे वाला स्लाइड दिखाना थोड़ा सा.
Now let me ask. कुछ समझ में आया क्या? 10%, 20%, 30%.
स्लाइड का सर वो
तो 30% तो आ गया.
सर फिफ्थ
sir,
वाला
वो
स्टेप
लास्ट
बता दो
स्टेप
सर
एक बार रिपीट कर देना.
Sorry. आप लोग प्लीज तेज बोले थोड़ा.
सर पॉइंट नंबर 5 जो है ना
Please repeat the steps.
Please repeat.
सर
what-
स्टेप रिपीट कर दो.
What step we need to do?
लास्ट स्टेज रिपीट कर दो सर.
Sir, from third step.
लास्ट स्टेप.
Okay. Again, I'm like repeating from starting now. We have seen in our this slide, like in the case of n disk, we need to move some disk from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end, and we have divided our problem into smaller sub problems. Smaller sub problem means n minus 1 disk needs to move from beginning to auxiliary. One disk simply moves from beginning to end, and then finally n minus 1 disk needs to move from auxiliary to end. Okay, so here we can use recursion, here we can use recursion, and this is only one disk, so we are not using recursion over there, and this become my base condition in this case. Okay, so now what we have done is we have seen this now. What we are going to do is in this 3 steps, actually the main algorithm is in this is 3 steps only. Okay, so for the value n which is greater than or equals to 1, greater than 1 only, it means it could be 2 or it could be 1, it could be 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. So first of all, we are moving n minus 1 disk from beginning with the help of n to auxiliary. हमने यहाँ पर भी देखा था हम क्या कर रहे हैं, beginning से auxiliary पे move कर रहे हैं. So automatically we are taking the help of end in this case. Okay, and फिर हम move कर रहे हैं, we are moving simply one disk from beginning to end without any help. So I am not mentioning over there that we are taking help of auxiliary because it can be done directly. Okay, and then the next one is we are trying to move remaining again n-1 disk from auxiliary to end. So last step is n-1 disk from auxiliary with the help of beginning to end. Is it okay? Do I need to repeat this thing again? ये अब आप यहाँ डायग्राम से समझ लीजिए, किसी को समझ में नहीं आया अभी तक तो. What we are doing in this case, first we are trying to move these two disks from A to B with the help of C. कैसे? First of all, we are moving A to C, smaller one, then A to B, white one, and then C to B, red one. So in this case, we have moved this. So how many disks we have moved? We have moved 2 disks till now. So that's why I am putting over there n-1. n-1 matlab 3 minus 1, it is 2 disks. So we have moved 2 disks from A to B. A is my beginning, C is my ending, and this is B is actually auxiliary in this case. Okay, so in this way I am moving n-1 disk from beginning to auxiliary with the help of C, that is end. Now in the next second part, I am simply moving the first disk जो यहाँ रह गई थी. अब देखो इसमें जो हमने देखा यहाँ जो एक डिस्क रह गई थी, this green one, that needs to move from this to this directly. तो वो हमने यहाँ किया in this step A to C. So it is from beginning to ending directly. Now again in remaining n-1 disk needs to move from this to this with the help of A. Okay, so for that what we are going to do is we are performing these 3 steps. First of all B to A, then B to C, and then finally B to A to C. So we have moved again 2 disks, that is n-1 disk, from middle one, that is auxiliary, to end one, which is with the help of beginning. वही हमने यहाँ लिखा है directly और उसको हमने step में convert किया है. Okay, now come on to this algorithm once again. Suppose I have used the function TOH and the ये क्या कह रहा है actually function, यदि इसको मैं यहाँ लिखना चाहूँ, so what I am going to do is I am trying to move n disk from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. इस पूरी जो फंक्शन है इसका मतलब ये है actually. You can see this. Okay, we are trying to move n disk from beginning with the help of auxiliary to end. And now we need to use recursion and we need to change some parameters accordingly. Okay, so beginning, this is our base condition that we have put in the step number 2. If the value of n equals to 1, we need to simply move. यदि n एक ही डिस्क अवेलेबल है हमारे पास, तो हम सिंपली बिगिनिंग से एंड पर डायरेक्ट पुट कर देंगे एंड रिटर्न हो जाएंगे, एग्जिट कर देंगे. Otherwise, what we need to do, we need to call again tower of Bernoulli function with some change of parameters. It means कि what we are trying to break the whole problem in smaller sub problems that we have seen in the previous slide. n-1, 1 and n-1. So that is for that we are writing the code now. We are calling the tower of Bernoulli function again with n-1 disk. हमें कहाँ से कहाँ move करना था? Beginning से auxiliary with the help of end. So we have changed the parameter also. So parameter की situation change होगी. That's it. Beginning with the help of end to auxiliary. Okay. Then only one disk needs to move. So need not to call the recursion again. We can simply write beginning to end. It means we are moving from beginning to end. Finally, again we need to move n-1 remaining disk from the middle one to the last one. It means auxiliary to the end with the help of beginning. So again I am writing n-1. So sequence will change again. Auxiliary is in this case auxiliary is my beginning slide, ending slide is end, and the beginning one will work as an auxiliary. So हम ये change कर रहे हैं. That's why we have changed the order of arguments also. Now is it okay? Now anyone has any question? You can ask.
Yes, sir. Now, okay.
Now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
आपको देखना पड़ेगा एक बार. Definitely you have to see once again. आप अपने आप से एक बार जरूर करिएगा, तब जाकर के आपको क्लियर होगा ये. Until unless you are not performing it on your own, like definitely you will not be able to understand completely. So एक बार अपने आप से जरूर करिए, कॉपी पेन लेकर के अपने आप से करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. So now you need, this is your problem now. Your problem is to solve this for n equals to 4. Okay, n equals to 4. Now let us see again how it will be done. Do we need to see, or you will do it on your own?
Sir, we will try.
Sir, we will try.
We will try.
सर हम करेंगे ट्राई.
Definitely you should try. So आपके पास ऑब्वियसली आप भी सर्च कर लेंगे ये लोग एनिमेशन कहीं पर भी. पहले अपने आप ट्राई करिएगा और फिर उसको एग्जीक्यूट करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. ओके
सर नहीं मिला तो पेन पेपर से बना देंगे.
हाँ, पेन पेपर से बनाइएगा. बिना ऐसे करना है आपको इसको यूज नहीं करना है एनिमेशन को. आप अपना दिमाग लगाना एक बार और खुद से ट्राई करना है. एक्चुअली एक पजल ही है, पजल सॉल्व करना है, गेम की तरह खेलना है इसको. ठीक है. Then you need to write the like sub problems of that. Okay. Now see that in the case of 1, how many steps we required? 1 step. In the case of 2, 3 steps required. In the case of 3, we required 7 steps. So there could be a general formula for the n disk also, and that could be, can anybody tell me वो formula क्या हो सकता है कि for n disk how many steps we required?
Plus 1.
Sorry?
Twice of n plus 1, sir.
Twice of n plus 1 is not the right answer. Any guesses?
n minus 1.
2 to the power n minus 1 steps. The formula is, if we are having n disks, then we need to we need 2 to the power n minus 1 steps in order to solve the problem puzzle. Like in the case of 3, we require 2 to the power 3, that is 8 minus 1, 7 steps. In the case of 4, it will be 15. So 15 steps you will require to solve this puzzle. Is it okay now? So this could be the another formula that you can, like someone can ask you during your interviews, or like in MCQs you will get the question in this way. So that is what about the tower of money problem. Is it okay with you? Can anybody wants to ask anything? Yes or no? If you don't have any doubt, we can like stop and we can talk about something else. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Anshu, you
एक
want to ask
बात-
something?
No, sir.
Okay.
सर एक बात पूछ सकता हूँ सर?
Divyanshi, you want to ask?
नहीं sir, we'll try the four discs one.
Definitely. Chetan Sharma?
हेलो सर.
ब्रिज किशोर, आपके दोस्त से पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, चेतन से. चेतन
Yes, sir.
चेतन, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
आपको ब्रिज किशोर ने बताई दिया होगा कि आप बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं.
No, sir. There is some technical issue. That's why I am not able to.
आज नहीं आया ना आपके पास बेटा, क्योंकि आज मैंने कल कॉल किया इसलिए आज नहीं आया होगा.
No, sir.
हाँ, क्योंकि कल मैंने कन्वे कर दिया था इसलिए आज आपके पास टेक्निकल इशू नहीं आया
No,
होगा.
sir. मेरे पास सर किसी का कॉल नहीं आया सर.
सर मैंने किया था इसको रात को कॉल सर, 2-3 बार किया था. 93 नंबर है शायद इसका. सर किया था मैंने, लेकिन कॉल कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाया था सर. कोई उठा नहीं रहा था, फिर मैंने काट दिया.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. और अब मुझे पता था आज चेतन जरूर बोलेगा.
No, सर वो बात नहीं है सर. वो दिक्कत आ जाती है कभी कभी सर. गांव में होना सर तो टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है सर.
हाँ बेटा, वो मुझे पता है बेटा. आज नहीं आ रही, बस वो हमेशा आती थी, आज नहीं आई. क्योंकि कल मैंने आपको
No, sir.
देखो, like you need not to tell a lie, because this is not my loss, this is only your loss. If you are not attending classes, this is only your loss. If you are getting the attendance also, तो उससे क्या बेनिफिट होने वाला है आपको? अटेंडेंस से आपको कोई जॉब मिलने वाली है? You will not get the job if you are having 80% attendance, but you will definitely get the job if you are having 80% marks. So this is only your loss, this is not my loss. Okay, सो आप सच बोल रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं, आपके लिए ही है, मेरे लिए नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर चेतन, दिस इज फॉर ऑल एक्चुअली. ये सभी 50 स्टूडेंट्स जो क्लास में भी बैठे हैं उन सबके लिए. इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग क्लासेस डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द मार्क्स और समझ में आएगा आपको. मैं श्योरिटी दे रहा हूँ कि मेरे हिसाब से जो क्लासेस रेगुलरली अटेंड कर रहे हैं उनको समझ में आ रहा होगा. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि मैं कुछ भी मतलब तरीके से कुछ भी मतलब थ्योरेटिकल वे से ना समझा पाऊँ, क्योंकि पेपर ऐसा है कि वी कैन नॉट लाइक एक्चुअली मैंने आज से पहले तो इसको पीपीटी पे पढ़ाया भी नहीं है. व्हेनेवर आई एम टेकिंग द क्लासेस इन फिजिकल मोड आई ऑलवेज यूजेस द बोर्ड्स, क्योंकि दिस पेपर इज नॉट लाइक कि मैं उसको थ्योरेटिकली पढ़ाऊं या पीपीटी से पढ़ाने की कोशिश करूं. सो मुझे इसकी पीपीटीज बनाने में भी बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. यू आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक कैसे इसमें मैंने एक एक स्लाइड डाल के एनिमेशन डाल के बताने की कोशिश करी है. आई एम नॉट लाइक ट्राइंग टू लाइक प्रेज माई सेल्फ, बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से कि दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर एंड आई डोंट वांट कि जो बच्चा पढ़ रहा है उसको कहीं ना कहीं लॉस हो, समझ में ना आए. ओके सो
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर.
हाँ पूछो बेटा.
सर ये टावर ऑफ हनोई का प्रॉब्लम है, इसको हम इटरेशन से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं सर?
आइटरेशन से बिल्कुल सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं सर?
सर करने का जरूर ट्राई करूंगा.
है ना. मैंने बिकॉज ऑफ रिकर्शन आई हैव यूज्ड रिकर्शन ओवर देयर एंड आई सजेस्ट इफ यू ट्राई फॉर यूजिंग आइटरेशन यू कैन गो फॉर इट, नो इशू. Definitely you will see that in the case of tower of recursion we will have a short code. Like आप tower of Hanoi में आप देख लो recursion में बिल्कुल छोटा सा कोड है. I have like shared with you. Okay, you just need like in the main function you just need to take the value of n from the user and pass it from this, and definitely you will get the output. But in the case of recursion the code length will be definitely large. Now coming on to my I also have some questions from you people. In last week I don't have the lab, like because of some reasons my lab was not there, but I have posted an assignment onto the Google Classroom. कितने लोगों ने देखा था? कितने लोगों ने देखा था?
Stack implement.
So we are trying, sir.
Stack
How many of you
implementation.
have seen that assignment actually?
हाँ सर, देखिए सर.
सर स्टैक इम्प्लीमेंट का था सर.